What's up, guys and gals? Guess what's in my hand? Yes, the AirPods 4th generation. You know what? We're gonna do it quick, we're gonna do it fast, but we're gonna give you an unboxing and then compare it to some of the previous AirPods just to have an idea of the size and how it compares. So here you go, look at the box. Ooh, you got the AirPods 4th gen there, and then the backside. This is the standard AirPods 4, but obviously the ones with noise cancellation, they will be exactly the same when you unbox it. So I'm just going to tear the strip here, okay? Shall we wait? Woo! Another? Hey, a little higher pitch, right? Oh! It's just designed in Apple, California, y'all. Okay, let's do it. Let's get this layer here. And we reveal the AirPods 4th generation in their paper wrap. And we're just gonna pull this really nicely. Just like, it's like sticker tape almost. This tape is like a clothy material. It's like strong, it's resistant. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's almost like a bandage tape or something. Look at that texture. Okay, anyways, I had a lot harder time doing that than I should have. Here we go, everybody. The new AirPods 4th generation. The case, the smallest case they've ever made. Also, look here. Yes, USB-C right there. And then it also has, this one does not, but I'll show you the noise canceling one. The noise canceling one will have a speaker port because that has Find My, but we pop it open, all right? Then we're just gonna pull these out. And here you go, everybody. These are the new AirPods 4th gen. Now, Apple talked about how they redesigned these specifically to fit more ears, to even have a better fit. Of course, there's millions of ears out there. And so what we're gonna do now is also show you, I don't know if you can see this or not, but these have the touch stems. And why is that important is because in here, you have the ability to force touch or force click to pause and play, but the main differentiation here is that they do not have swiping up and down for volume. So you can do all the kind of click things to, you know, pause and play a track with noise cancellation. You can hold it down, but these do not have any volume control. You'll still have to use your device to control. So let's put these back in real quick. I'm gonna clear the floor here just to give us a little idea of how everything fits. So of course, I brought my friends. This is the AirPods 3, and then this is the AirPods Pro 2nd generation, all right, if we look at how these stack up. I'm also gonna bring in, because I collect all these things, because I'm a psycho, we have their different cases here, okay? So I'm gonna bring them down here into frame properly, and if we really wanna just do a size comparison, because size matters, I'm going to start here. Look at how big this box was. AirPods Pro 2. Look at how big this is now compared to AirPods 4th generation. It's not even close. I mean, it almost is like looks like it's like 40 or 50% bigger in size. This is huge. It's huge. Then you also obviously have AirPods 3 right here. Now, when I open these up, I'm gonna do this because we're gonna take a look at their design. So we're gonna pop each of these open. And the biggest thing probably people are curious about, what's the difference between AirPods 3 and AirPods 4. So let's just look at their design here. I'm gonna try and put them out here and see if we can really see any design difference. And it looks, look at this, okay. I'm gonna hold these up here to the camera, okay? And the stems look maybe slightly shorter. I believe the 4th gen AirPods are just ever so slightly shorter in height, okay? You still have these different silver accents down the bottom. When we look at the actual shape of here, you can see different location of air vent ports and you know, the speakers for the ears. It also looks like, if you look really carefully, this is a smaller vent or speaker grill than this. It's smaller in size. So overall, you gotta imagine, just from firsthand looking at this, the AirPods 4 are actually smaller in size in different ways, whether it's height, whether it's overall size, as well as speaker grill size, smaller than the AirPods 3, so more compact. That's cool. Okay, good to know. Good to know. Let's look at AirPods Pro 2 versus AirPods 4th gen. And of course, you have the silicone rubber tip. The biggest thing here is this is the first, these AirPods 4 have a base model, which we have here, but this is also the noise canceling version. Packaging looks exactly the same, but the noise canceling version has a difference on the actual case here. You'll see a speaker grill for Find My. That's only in the AirPods 4 noise canceling version, okay? So I guess I'm just showing these all off now, right? But let's look at AirPods Pro 2 versus 4th gen. And when I look at these in hand, they actually look a lot more similar than you'd think, except you just don't have that silicone rubber seal. And again, what's the difference? A lot of people that put the silicone rubber tips, some people don't like that feeling inside your ear. Also, if you notice, there's a lot of pressure that builds up while you're in the plane. The AirPods Pro 2 do a lot better job of releasing that pressure versus the AirPods Pro 1. But now, with this open ear design, you have with the AirPods 4th gen, you don't feel all that pressure in your ear, and you get noise canceling, which is great. The biggest thing though is that the noise canceling is a little different. You get 2 times better noise cancellation performance versus the AirPods 4, but it still is really good. So, you know, of course, better noise canceling, the rubber, the silicone tip seal, that's the biggest difference. Let's also talk battery life, battery performance here. Now, the AirPods Pro 2 gets 6 hours of talk time when it's fully charged. The AirPods 4th gen that you see here, 5 hours of talk time when fully charged. I believe it's 4 hours when you use the ANC with the active noise cancellation versions, but also the cases themselves, 30 hours of additional battery life when you pop the earbuds right back in there. So you're getting similar performance overall. I believe also with the noise cancellation, the 30 hours if you're using ANC actively the whole time. Technically that 30 hours drops to 20 hours, but that's going to be the same on these. But overall, battery life is not going to be a significant drop off or issue between these models. AirPods Pro 2, those are $249. Then you have AirPods 4th generation with noise canceling, that's $179. And then you have the standard non-noise canceling version, that's $129. But you got to imagine the noise canceling version, these are going to be the hot sell this holiday season. $249 versus $149. It has the H2 chip, so you get all those things like adaptive audio, conversational awareness, personalized spatial audio. The sound quality has been significantly improved, just the audio quality, more defined highs, mids, and lows, and a little more beef. I don't know. I have to try these out. I'm not sure if it can match. The AirPods Pro 2 have a little more beef and oomph, so we'll see what happens. But you know, AirPods 4th generation, I think these are going to be the AirPods to get for this holiday season, and over time will probably surpass, in my mind, I think this is going to be the most popular AirPod just because of price and features and size, and then the pressure. These are going to be a killer buy. So we'll see what happens. Hey, guess what? This is not the last video I'm making. We will have an in-depth review of the AirPods 4th generation. This is the noise canceling version. And, you know, come back to the channel. We'll see you soon. But there you go. A quick unboxing and comparison of the AirPods 4.